Welcome to M.A.W. Monday's dual tips and dual mods. I have two mods for you today. But first, I want to show you this tool right here. I want to show you today what I'm going to be doing. I'm at one of my jobs. I'll be showing you guys that in a second. How this tool works on a job like this one and how you would use this. Some of you who've been watching me already know how this tool moves and how to use it, but you know, sometimes repetition is needed in order to get the info out there. So I'm taking these clips off and I'm going to re-dog ear the ends, and because I don't need them on. This was just an experiment, but I don't want nothing to do with Mormon. I mean, unless something changes in the future. Now, if they come out with a super squeegee better than Wagtail, you know, maybe I'll go back to seeing about using them. But for now, I can make money just as fast. That tool is not making me make money any faster. I don't think I can get any faster with that tool, because nothing beats faster than a Wagtail. This is the fastest squeegee on earth. One pass. Ain't nothing faster than that. And to those people, I'm going to break it down to you. I was on a site and I just joined. Okay, so I'm just trying to share what I know, and someone had you know, kind of wanted to argue with me about these one-pass tools. They can only clean glass. I said it's not true, because I can prove it to you. Now he says because of the pad and cleaning dirty windows, when you make the turn, you will leave turn marks. I mentioned in my video that will be a challenge, because if you're not dunking this pad, it can pretty much get saturated with dirt and it will leave turn marks. I mean, that seems to be the common sense way of you know, saying with a tool like this. But after using it on dirty glass, personally, I can rest assured, I can tell you that this is most untrue. Because check this out. When you're cleaning a dirty window, when you close off and you're applying pressure, you're squeezing all the nastiness out of the pad. If you really watch my videos, when I close off to the side or I close down, you can see dirty water dripping. This is squeezing all the nastiness out of there. And I just can't explain it. You would have to see it with your own eyes, because I don't have any turn marks on the dirtiest of windows. That job that I haven't been to in 6 weeks, the outside of those garage doors was wrecked. And I didn't have a problem. It wasn't an issue. Okay? So that right there, well, I don't want to say too much. I got to get back to work, but I'll see you in the video. All right. So for those who are going to try this mod, as you can see, I made a skeleton model. I had to shave just a hair off in order to slip it on there, and then I cut a slit in there for the actual thing itself. Let me just show you. You see how it fits on there nicely? If you jam it on there, you'll see, but I'm taking these off and I'm just going to dog ear the channel.